These are cornfields over here. I don't even know if you can see the water. This is how flooded the White River is down here in Seymour, Indiana. Again, every year that I've been driving this route, these fields get like this. We already passed the White River at the beginning of this bridge. Look at all this. Cornfields. Last year, all the corn got destroyed. They had to replant soybeans. This is another creek. So the White River and the cornfield and this creek right here are all connected right now because of the flooding down here. And now we're getting all this rain.